Dear Lassanians, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all fine. Welcome in third semester, class 4. I am your SST teacher. Today we're going to start our day 8 and 9 working. Let's start our working. Today we're going to start unit number 10, colonization, on page number 82. Colonization means no abadiyat ya abadkari. The Portuguese in India. A colony is far of land that a country captures, पकड़ना, and rules hukumat karna. Portugal is a small country in Europe. In the 15th century, the king of Portugal paid sea captains to find colonies that had riches like gold, silk, and spices. Portugal started a large colony Abadi in Goa in India because traders Tajir came to India from the far east to sell spices there. These are some of the spices they sold: cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. On page 83, here is an activity. Fill in the blanks. First one is land that a country captures and rules is called a colony. Second is a small country in Europe that captured land in India was dash. Answer is Portugal. Third is the king of Portugal wanted new land that had. Answer is gold, silk, or spices. And last one is the Christian church wanted to dash make the people of Goa Christians. Christopher Columbus's first voyage. Voyage Samandri Sapar. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer who went to live in Spain. In 1492, the king and queen of Spain paid Columbus to sail west across the Atlantic Ocean to find a new route, Rasta, to India and China. Columbus did not know there was any land between the west of Europe and Asia. He thought the earth was much smaller than it really is. So when he reached the Bahamas islands near America, he thought they were the Indies islands near Indonesia. Christopher Columbus and the native people of the Bahamas. Native means Ilakai. We know about the native people of the Bahamas from Columbus's diary and from archaeologists. Columbus wrote about the native people. They will make good servants, ghulam. They learn quickly. We can easily make them Christians because they have no religion. I will bring back 6 of them. They have no modern, jadid weapons. I could conquer, fatah karna all of them with 50 men and rule them as I please. Page number 85. Columbus took back to Spain things that Europeans had not seen before: turkeys, parrots, potatoes, pineapples, maize, and sunflowers. Europeans took more and more native people as slaves. After 30 years, few native people were left. Now, here's an activity. Complete the puzzle. Our first one is Columbus wanted to make the people of the Bahamas change to the religion Christian. Christian. Second is land a country captures to rule. Answer is colony. Third is the people in the Bahamas slept in this type of bed. Answer is hammock. Fourth is dash people are people who belong to a place and were born there. Native, Native. And the last one is a type of corn that Columbus took back to Spain. Answer is maize. Maize. The letters in the shaded box spell a word. It spells the word slave. Now we will start our day 9 working. Content page. Today we are going to start unit number 10, colonization. Words meanings. First word is spices, means masale. Cinnamon, darchini. Continent, Bari-Azam. Native means Ilakai. Priest, Padri. Marsh, Daldal. Coast, Sahil. Tribe, Kabila. Invader, Hamlavar. Hammock, Jhula. Slave, Ghulam. And expensive means महंगे. Next word is pretend, दिखावा, and capture means पकड़ना. Page number 83, we will start question answers. Question A is done on book. Question B is write a sentence to explain why spices were important to Europeans. Now our answer is spices did not grow in Europe and were very expensive. Full stop. Rich Europeans showed off their wealth by serving spicy meals to guests. Full stop. Page number 84, question answers. Our first question is, why did the king and queen of Spain send Columbus across the Atlantic Ocean? Our answer is, they sent Columbus to find a new route to India and China. Next question is, what two mistakes did Columbus make about the earth? Answer is, he did not know that there was land between the west of Europe and Asia. He thought the earth was much smaller than it really is. Full stop. Question number 3 is, look at the map of Columbus' voyage. Name two islands that he visited. Our answer is, Columbus visited these islands. You can write any two. First is Canary Islands, second is Hispaniola, third is Cuba, and fourth is the Bahamas. Our question number B is, talk to a friend about how Columbus's voyage changed maps of this world. Tell your answer. Our answer is, maps would now include America and would show the world much larger than in older maps. Full stop. That's our working for today. I hope you will learn these questions by heart. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.